everyone. In this lecture, we are going to see the plotting of a point and a line segment. For simple point plotting purpose, we will use the function plot. It is the inbuilt function. Plot of, for example, if I am giving any point 1 comma 2, here you can see that we will not get output. The reason I will tell. Yeah, here you can see there is no indication of the point, but you can see that there are the values, and the value which we have given is must and should present here. Here it is present. If you see 1 comma 2 is present, but we are unable to see the point or something. The reason is that we not only values, we need to pass a third parameter. In that we need to mention how we want to represent that one. For example, I am giving here dot. Yeah, here you can see for 1 comma 2 we got dot. The default color is blue. Now for suppose I want to change the color, and also along with color I want to change symbol. Here you can see dot I have used. So I got dot as output and default color is blue. Now for example, now I am going to make the use of star symbol, and color I want is red color. For red color we will use R. Now again I am going to run this line. Yeah, here you can see star symbol which is red in color. This is how we do plotting. Now similarly as I have shown in the console, now let us do it in Synods. Firstly, as I told, I am using a directory for it. I want to choose the Clab folder itself. Yeah. Now I am going to launch Synods, and here I am going to enter the code. Plot of some, let me take 3 comma 8 star R. Now Control S is used to save the file, and here you can see it is asking for file name. You can enter any name. Uh, Now I want to enter one name. Let me take point. Yeah, it is saved as point.sce. And now for execution, use this one. Yeah, before execution, uh, yeah, here two are there. One is the console, and this is the our sign notes. And now I am going to execute it. See, the execution output will always result in the new graphic window. Here you can see the output. For suppose if I commit any error, let me do one syntactical error here and save it. Yeah, here you can see that now there is no output. But you may get doubt that how can I know whether it is error or not. Now what you will do is, here from here navigate to console. In console you can see that syntax error, unexpected end of line. Yeah. Now again let me save it and execute. Save and execute. Yes. Now you can see that point 3 comma 8. First parameter is x, y with what symbol? Color. Now similarly, now let us do one more plotting, that is nothing but line segment. By clicking on new, you will get a new file. And now for line segment also similarly we will use plot symbol, but inside parameters will be different. As I mentioned, the first parameter is always x. 1 to 3 I have given. And giving lists as parameters. These 1, 2, 3 are nothing. Don't think and don't assume it as x comma y comma z. That is always a blunder mistake. These all are values of x. Now if I'll give you 4, 5, 6, the points are 1 comma 4, 2 comma 5 and 3 comma 6. Now let me save and execute it. Control S. And the name I want to give for it is line segment. Line segment. Save. Yeah, line segment dot sce. Now I am executing it. Yeah. Sometimes don't think that you are not getting output, it will be actually printed here. Here if you see, you are getting 1 comma 4 here, 2 comma 5 here, 3 comma 6 here. But how to indicate it? That also I am going to explain. Yeah. In there you are unable to identify the points because it is a continuous like line. So now let me indicate it. Star. Let me take red color. I am saving it. Again I am executing. Here you can see that there are 3 points, but those are not connected because the default line segment color is blue color, but now we are giving for points red color. So we are only able to plot the points. So now let me remove that color first. Here I am removing the color. Now if you will see, the output will be different again. Yeah, you won't get line because you are only representing using that color. So now let me erase this third parameter. Since the window is already open, and remember that always you need to close this window, otherwise the previous output and present output result will be merged. You can see star, but here in parameter I have not mentioned star. So close this, again execute it. Yeah, now you can see you have got line segment. 1 comma 4 is present in this, 2 comma 5 as well as 3 comma 6 are also present. This is how we will do line segment plotting. Thank you. And in next lecture, we are going to see about plotting of parabolas.